At UTC, we work together to create world-class innovative products. And with UTC PAC, we can stand together to make sure that our collective voice is heard in Washington, D.C. Government decisions shape our markets. That's why it's crucial that candidates who understand our company and our industries are elected to Congress. The right decisions create new opportunities for our company and business units. The wrong decisions lead to real setbacks. UTC PAC is bipartisan and supports candidates who promote policies that help our businesses grow. Actively participating keeps us off the sidelines and ensures our voice and our message is heard. And because your voice is just as important in your community as it is in Washington, D.C., there is UTC PAC Match. Every dollar that you contribute to UTC PAC will be matched and donated in your name to the charity of your choice. Whether it's your favorite community endeavor, a local animal shelter, or even United Way. In fact, you can use PAC Match to support your business unit's United Way campaign. If you choose to apply your match to United Way, your total for the current year will count towards the upcoming United Way campaign. At UTC, we improve our communities by giving together. We improve our products by working together. And we improve our future by standing together. Join UTC PAC today. Give together. Speak together. Stand together for a better future. To contribute, please log on to Employee Self-Service now. For those who contribute by payroll deduction, your total contribution for the year is matched in the first quarter of the following year. If you choose to contribute by check, your contribution is matched during the next quarter.